Let's have a look at this example, starting from a lift that we have to install in the building. Suppose we must modify the door frame for adapting to specific need. The drawing office in charge of it, for quickly deliver a project, creates a basic assembly with simple shelled solids. This is classical. As we have to produce it, we must transform the part in unfoldable sheet metal parts. With any other system, we would have to create the corner relief, the bends, the junction, and so on. With BricsCAD, using our automatic function, one click and, very hard job, wait. Few seconds. Look at the result. Everything is created automatically. Everything. Reliefs, bends, junction, and cutout. Even meters in diagonal when necessary. But the user remains the boss. Look at this particular part. The system logically created a meter. But we can decide differently. Switch a bend to a junction, shorten a flange, and remove the meter, for example. There is no limit in the possibilities of modifications. Another example of reworking. Look at this couple of brackets that hold the diode light in the fountain mechanism near the building. We have to slightly change the light position for more efficiency. For that, we use a manipulator specifically adapted for sheet metal. Note that it snaps automatically to the bend line, inside or outside, so that the measurable dimensions remain coherent. With BricsCAD, the possibility of reworking is infinite. This is unique.